Hey everybody, today we're at 1029 Clark Avenue in the city of Riverside. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhome unit here. You do have a detached 1-car garage out back, plus 1 assigned parking spot, but you also have street parking here as well. Walking in, you do have vinyl plank flooring and tile throughout, so no carpet. Coat closet here. Main living space. This home does have updated windows for energy efficiency as well. This is your dining area with the French door access out back, and then to that detached 1-car kitchen. You do have granite countertops. It does include dishwasher and stove, oven. Washer dryer hookups are just off the kitchen for your convenience. Now we'll go ahead and check out the back. Do have a nice big tree here for some added shade to those windows that are upstairs. And then coming out here, this is where that assigned parking spot is, just right here. Just drive up, going through your gate, and then 1-car garage as well. And we'll take a look at that. Right through here, drive up access is right through that driveway. This property does have central air and heat. You also notice you have a ceiling fan here. And then your half bath is just through here. You also have additional storage. This is that under the stairs storage there. And then this is actually water heater and furnace. Now we'll go ahead and head upstairs to the 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You do have some hallway linen closet storage here as well. First full bath. And then 2 guest bedrooms through here. This one is the smaller of the 2 guest bedrooms. Closet over there. This is the bigger of the guest rooms. Just right through there. Big closet. And then heading over to the master bedroom with its own ensuite. Nice big closets. And bathroom. So if you're interested, again, 1029 Clark in the city of Riverside, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. This community also does feature a pool for those hot summer days. So give us a call, 909-256-7005, truedoorpm.com. Thanks, guys.